Hello everyone, welcome to November 2022's 30 Inks in 30 Days. I can't believe it's been a year since I last did this. Time went really fast. And this will probably be the last 30 inks that I can do where it's all just space inks. I think I have exhausted all of the inks that I can get my hands on that are space related, at least that I've been able to find. So, but I'm excited to be doing this again. So here we go. And I am using last year's Hobonichi Techo because I still have a lot of pages left in it and I don't want to waste them. So I found 30 blank pages in a row from July of last year. So we're gonna go with that. To kick off this run of space inks, I will be starting with Colorverse's NASA Blue, which is a Dromgoole's exclusive. And this time I'm just gonna do my splats directly into my journal. So NASA was established on July 29th of 1958. Oops, let me see if I can get this water to catch. And it succeeded the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, which was in operation from 1915 until 1958. So NASA offers a civilian-led approach to space development, with its emphasis being on peaceful applications in space science. Notable missions and projects that you may have heard of include the Apollo missions, the Skylab space station, the Space Shuttle program. NASA supports the International Space Station, the various Mars missions and rovers, and the upcoming planned Lunar Gateway space station. Oh, I don't know if I messed this chromatography strip up because I caught the bottom a little much. Oh well, we'll see. And today I'm using my Lamy All-Star with the rose gold trim. This one is a medium nib. NASA's motto is exploring the secrets of the universe for the benefit of all. This is a very rich purple blue, very dark, and it has a lot of heavy sheen. In fact, in other pens that I've put this in, it eventually kind of clogs it up. They would hard start a lot. So we'll see what happens in the Lamy. Maybe you can see a little bit of the sheen on the camera. Hard to tell, but it is a very thick, dark, purple-red sheen. And the chromatography strip, oh, I guess it came out okay. I got the edge of the ink a little bit here, but you can see the purple, the pink, up into the dark, and then there's kind of a dark line across the top here, but it's pretty. I don't think it's an ink I would use a lot for regular writing, just because it's not my favorite blue, but it's very pretty, and I think it certainly evokes the depths of space. That is it for my first video of the month. Feeling a little rusty, but I imagine I will get back into the rhythm soon. I thank you so much for being here, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Just kidding, I'm back for a second. I wanted to show you the swatch card that I made. For this paper, I'm using Canson Mixed Media, and it is the, let me see, wrote it down, 98-pound paper, and I just cut it down to 2.5 by 3.5 inches so that it fits in my swatch binder. This paper soaks the ink in a little bit more than the smooth Hobonichi paper, but you can still see that there's quite a bit of sheen on it. And I think it looks really pretty on this paper actually. And then I went ahead and I got out, I'll show you. I had this Cognitive Surplus soft cover notebook, and I am continuing my transcription of Dune in this as I filled up my other notebook that I was using last year in my 30 inks videos. And this paper is 100% recycled, and I believe the website said it's 81-pound paper. And there's a little bit of ghosting on this. This is much closer to like computer paper, but it's nicer, it's smooth, a higher quality than just like regular office computer paper, but it doesn't show up the sheen, I would say. Yeah, I'm not seeing any sheen on this paper, so it absorbs quite a bit more than the Hobonichi paper or Tomoe River paper, but I would still call it fountain pen friendly. It's just not going to show up the detail of the sheening. So, oh, also I have noticed that this ink is reminding me a lot of Organic Studios Nitrogen, because every time I touch the bottle or the pen, like I just find more and more ink all over me. My hands, yesterday when I did the first part of this video, my hands were just covered in the ink, and I don't know where it came from. I don't know. Oh, now maybe I see it. I see some on the outside of the bottle. So when I was carrying it upstairs from my office up to my kitchen table, or my dining room table where I'm doing this right now because the lighting is so good, apparently it leaked. So never mind, I figured it out. But still, this ink gets everywhere. It's that very high sheen. So just be aware of that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for real this time.